Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a really dynamic group, one that's often overlooked, I think, in the UK's wealth scene. We're talking about the M40 tech entrepreneurs.
Yeah, they're fascinating. Not your typical millionaires at all.
Exactly. And their story gives us this amazing glimpse into how modern wealth is really being created right now.
It's so important we understand this segment. And, this whole deep dive is based on a pretty comprehensive client avatar report that was specifically designed to map them out.
Right. So our mission today.
Well, our mission is really to unpack their distinct characteristics, their financial behaviors, their specific needs, basically what makes them tick.